Hi you guys, I hope you're doing well. Today I come to you from my bedroom in Gran Velas, located here in the Riviera Maya. This is an absolutely gorgeous property located about 10 minutes north of Playa del Carmen. In February last year, we were invited to stay at Gran Velas in Los Cabos. I really regret not taking videos of our amazing time at the hotel in Cabos last year. But at the time, I was really not into making YouTube videos. This is something that I learned to do during the pandemic. Anyway, I'm gonna make up for it and I'm gonna take plenty of videos during our stay at the moment at Gran Velas here in the Riviera Maya. And I'm gonna start by showing you the fantastic view I have from my bedroom. Check this out. So I'm going to open this up actually. Oh my God, it's so quiet. All right, over here, let's have a little look at what I have going on in my terrace. There is a plunge pool with amazing views of the ocean. And then over here, a romantic sunbed. And then let's head back in. Okay, so if we head back in, this is the entrance here. And then coffee machine here and teas. And then we have a lounge area. And then through here, I have a large king-size bed and my work area over there and a large flat screen TV. And then over here is just the most amazing bathroom. Okay, so we have large bathtub with jets. And then my favorite products from L'Occitane. Oh, look at this. Awesome. Massive shower. One of those rainfall showers again. And the door is over on this side here. 2 sinks with these amazing cute little amenities. So we've got the shower cap with the sewing kit. We have a wooden comb, nail file, shaving kit, dental kit, and then mouthwash and L'Occitane body lotion. Couple of bottles of water, and through here we have toilet. From the toilet we have a massive walk-in closet here. You have a beach bag in there, the safe, insect repellent, hairdryer, shoe polisher. In here in the beach bag we've got 2 towels, and then up on the wall here we've got the iron and an ironing board and some slippers. Oh, let's have a look at these goodies over here. Oh, this is so cute. I'm guessing these are strawberry chocolates and some little groom and bride cookies. And over here we have a bottle of mezcal with tajin, it looks like, and some limes. It's a bit early in the day for me to be drinking, but that's so cute. Okay, I just found something else out which is really awesome, because I was wondering, if you're sitting over there, how do you watch the TV? Well, look at this. All you need to do is swivel this baby around. Isn't that cool? Ta-da! And then swivel it back towards the bed. I'm going to go around with it now. Fantastic. Gosh, those views. Okay, so now that I have done the room tour, let's go over the outdoor spaces and restaurants. But before that, let's quickly go over the check-in process and health and safety measures taken on arrival, because these are worth a mention. First, I was guided to a little screen where my face was scanned and temperature checked, and then a pulse oximeter was attached to my finger to check my blood oxygen levels. I was given the all clear and then was guided to my room down the dramatic corridors. The rooms are thoroughly cleaned, disinfected, and sealed in between guests. Okay, now back to the hotel. Gran Velas is a AAA 5-diamond all-inclusive resort. Now, this probably does not mean much to you if you do not work in the hospitality industry. So for the layperson, this means that the hotel blends ultimate luxury and comfort with impeccable service, fine dining, premium drinks, and of course, top recreational facilities like the amazing on-site gym and spa and the fabulous kids clubs. With a little over 490 suites, Gran Velas is a fairly large resort. However, it does not feel that large as the suites are separated into 3 main areas, which the hotel calls experiences. These are the Grand Class Experience, the Ambassador Experience, and the Zen Experience. The Grand Class is where I'm staying. These are 90 luxurious beachfront suites with a private plunge pool and the best views for those amazing sunrises. This area is exclusively for adults. It has its own quiet pool, and there are 3 restaurants located in this area: Piaf and Bistro, which both offer French specialities, and Cocina de Autor, which specializes in Caribbean and Mexican cuisine. For a family-friendly holiday, the hotel offers the Ambassador Experience. This section has 195 spacious suites and is close to the Kids Club and Teens Club. It has an enormous infinity pool and several restaurants including Azul, which offers international cuisine with spectacular views of the ocean. Frida, one of the hotel's patrons' favorites, which specializes in Mexican culinary delights, and Luca, the Italian restaurant. And finally, we have the Zen Grand Experience, where most of the suites are located. 254 spacious suites nestled in the lush tropical jungle. Here you'll find 2 additional restaurants, Shaka, which offers an international menu, and Zen Lin, which offers amazing Asian dishes. There are also several bars on property: the Sky Bar, the Piano Bar, and the Senin Bar that close at 11 p.m., and finally the Fun Karaoke Bar that closes at 2 p.m. For weddings, you can use almost all the spaces in the hotel, but I did want to mention one space which is particularly interesting for events, which is the beach terrace. It is a large wooden floor over the sand and right by the ocean that can be used for a beach ceremony, but without the sand, or for the reception dinner and dance. Right, that was a quick overview of Gran Velas Riviera Maya. If you want to explore this as an option for your wedding, you can reach out to me directly. Or as usual, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me in the comments below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible with an answer. Until next time, adios!